So here I have a pot that's about 20% of the way filled and boiling with hot water. Now I'm going in with some chicken broth. You guys can also use beef broth if you want, but I prefer chicken broth. I feel like it tastes better. And you are going to whisk, and then you are going to go ahead and start adding your grits. And it is imperative that you keep whisking if you do not want any lumps or any clumps in there, okay? Now I'm going in with a little bit of some 2% milk, and that is totally optional. You guys, I feel like it gives it a little bit more flavor. And now I'm going in with some seasoning. I'm just going in with some black pepper and some onion powder and some salt. Now I'm going in with some mild cheddar, and I'm going in with some sharp cheddar cheese as well. And this is how it looks so far. So after you're done with the grits, you're just going to put the cover on it and set it aside. And now we're going to jump right into the other fun part, which is the shrimp. And we are using that same pan that we basically fry the bacon in. And we're just going to use the same pan to fry the shrimp and move on with our lives, okay? So I had to turn the stove down right here because your girl was starting to get popped. And I was like, oh no. No, no, no. I am not leaving this kitchen injured, okay? No. Well, thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys on my next one. At the end there, I sprinkled some Parmesan cheese on top because I'm very extra. But I'll see you guys on my next video, and just stay tuned because you never know what it's gonna be. It might be a DIY project, and it might be a food video. Surprises, surprises. Bye for now.